everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a sensory glitter globe. So what you need for this experiment is water, food coloring optional, clear glue, some cup like a mason jar, some glitter, toy also optional, very small though, and some skins too. Okay, they're optional too. So first step, we are going to take this jar, open it up. So let's put in some water in here. Now we are going to put some glue. Going to mix it with this. Alright, done stirring. So now we are going to put in some scent, and I'm going to put in grape skin scent. We are going to put food coloring. And now for glitter. We're going to stir again. Now we are going to put this little rabbit. I hope it lands on its feet. Oh my gosh, it did land on its feet. And we're going to close the lid. Now, put the rabbit inside. Let's see what it's going to do in here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at it. Come here. It's all flying around. So that's it for today, guys. So if you have enjoyed my episodes and videos, I hope you will like them a lot. So if you do, don't forget to hit that like button and share and subscribe. And after you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell icon to turn on notifications. Bye-bye!